Okay, last thing for this unit is an application problem where we are going to solve with variables on both sides, word problem. So let me read this to you. The long distance rates of two phone companies are shown in the table. How long is a call that costs the same amount of money no matter which company is used? What is the cost of that call? So first thing with word problems, we ask ourselves, what are we trying to find? So in this, now it's the second to last question. Oh my. Second to last question, it asks, how long is a call that costs the same amount for either company? And here it tells us a little bit about what each company charges. So we want to know the time, so T, time, it takes for company A to equal company B. When will they be the same or equal? All right, so we need to set up an expression to model the cost. So 36 cents, so I'm gonna write that, 0.36, how would you show 36 cents, plus 3 cents per minute, which is time. So you could also call this M if you want, if you like minutes better. I'm gonna just put in parentheses that this means minutes. All right, so plus 3 cents per minute. I'm calling that T. That's for company A. And then company B charges just 6 cents per minute. So 0.06 times T per minute. Per is another word that means multiply. So we've got per, of, each, all of those mean multiply. All right, so then we're going to solve this. We want to find the time. So I'm going to draw a line down the middle. Our rule is to get all of the variables on one side, and I'm going to move the smaller variables. So here I've got 0.03 t, and it's positive. So what's the opposite of positive? That's negative. I'm going to move this over. All right, this is gone. Those have eliminated. So we have 0.36 equals 0.06 minus 0.03, well, that's 0.03 t. All right, last step. We're going to undo multiplying, so we're going to divide. We want to get t by itself. All right, and you might want to use a calculator with those decimals. All right, so I'm going to do this. 0.36 divided by 0.03 is 12. So t equals 12 minutes. All right, second part of this question is how much is that going to cost? So we need to plug that back in for one of those companies. It doesn't matter which one because it's the same cost. We just figured that out. So I'm going to do the 0.06 times 12 to get that cost. So I'm going to use this guy, this side, 0.06 times 12 equals, that's the cost for either company. All right, so I'm going to do that in my calculator. That's 72 cents. It costs 72 cents. 0. Actually, I'll do it like this. 72 cents is the cost. You guys can write it as a sentence. I'm going to leave that because I'm running out of room. All right. I'm going to do one more, and then you guys can try the last one on your own. Woo. 4 times Greg's age decreased by 3 is equal to Greg's age increased by 7. How old is Greg? First thing we ask ourselves, what are we trying to find? We're trying to find out how old is Greg. So we could call this G, we could call this Y, we call it X, whatever you guys want. I'm gonna go Y for years. Years of Greg. That's how old he is. Years of Greg. All right. So let's break this down. 4 times. Well, that seems pretty mathy, right? 4 times Greg's age. What's Greg's age again? It's Y. We don't know yet. That's what we're solving for. So 4 times Y decreased. What does decreased mean in math? Subtraction. Okay. Decreased by 3 is equal. So that's mathy, isn't it? Is equal to 3 times Greg's age. So 3 times Greg's age, which is Y. I'm going to write those how we do in algebra, just smushed up together. Increased by 7. So if decreased was subtraction, then increased must be addition. There you go. And then we need to find out how old is Greg. So I'm going to solve this for Y. I'm going to move the smaller y first. This is positive 3y. So I'm going to undo that by subtracting from both sides. All right? 4y minus 3y is 1y. I'm going to write that over here. 1y. And then I got minus 3. So that's done. Left side's good. On the right side, 3y minus 3y is out of there. That's equal to 7. Okay. And then the last step is I need to get y by itself. We don't care about that 1 there. That's fine. So we just need to get rid of that minus 3. How do we undo minus 3? We add 3. So y is 10. So Greg is 10 years old. All right, you guys try the last one.